NRM is appealing to all Ugandans. Please get out of poverty. This PDM money, which is in the parish, is your money now. 5 years, you will be having 500 million in the parish. Then, in the third year, the ones who got first will pay back. They pay back. You took 1 million, you pay back 1,100,000 something. Government can increase the amount if necessary. Make sure this money is not misused. If you have left university and you have not got a job for 2 years, I want you to come and benefit from this fund. Then we shall start another fund for even the religious leaders. The leaders should have their own circles. Then we shall also have a number of other funds. Aim here is to make sure that everybody starts creating wealth. So I am here to ask you to support the NRM because of this record. Don't listen to these people who come here running around. They are not serious. You can see the way they are talking. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.